Welcome to our roundup of the best cordless stick vacuum models that make everyday cleaning faster, lighter, and far more convenient. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, hard floors, carpets, or tight corners, the right cordless vacuum can save you time and effort without sacrificing power. In this video, we'll compare top-rated options based on suction strength, battery life, weight, attachments, and ease of use, so you can find the perfect match for your home. Don't forget to check the description box for the latest deals. Let's get started and find the cordless stick vacuum that fits your cleaning needs perfectly. The first on the list is the Cuvee SU7 cordless vacuum cleaner. The Cuvee SU7 is designed for users who appreciate smart technology and a refined cleaning experience. It features intelligent suction adjustment, a high-capacity removable battery, and a quiet yet powerful motor, creating a vacuum that feels both modern and effortless to use. Whether you're doing a quick clean or tackling the entire house, the SU7 adapts smoothly to different cleaning needs. Its flexible floor head and smooth steering make navigating around furniture, table legs, and tight spaces easy and frustration-free. The digital display keeps you informed with real-time battery status and power mode, so you always know how much cleaning time you have left. Filtration is effective at trapping dust and fine particles, which helps maintain cleaner indoor air, especially in closed spaces. Attachment changes are quick and intuitive, allowing you to move seamlessly between floors, sofas, stairs, and high shelves. Battery swapping is also convenient, extending cleaning time when needed. Overall, the Cuvee SU7 cordless vacuum cleaner offers a premium balance of smart features, comfort, and dependable performance, making everyday cleaning smoother and more enjoyable. Next up is the Uesogi cordless vacuum cleaner. The Uesogi cordless vacuum is designed for homes that need stronger and more consistent cleaning results. It comes equipped with a high-speed motor, extended battery runtime, and advanced dust separation technology, which allows it to maintain steady suction even as the dust bin fills up. This makes a noticeable difference when cleaning larger areas or tackling dirt that's deeply embedded in carpets. On carpets and rugs, the Uesogi lifts trapped dust and debris that weaker vacuums often leave behind. On hard floors, it captures fine particles without scattering them around. One particularly useful feature is the LED-lit floor brush, which reveals hidden dust in dark corners, under furniture, and along edges, helping you clean more thoroughly without guessing. The larger dustbin also means fewer stops to empty it during longer cleaning sessions. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The ergonomic handle and balanced weight distribution make it easy to maneuver even when cleaning above floor areas like curtains, shelves, or ceiling corners. Battery performance is strong enough to handle medium to large homes, making it suitable for families and busy households. Overall, the Uesogi cordless vacuum cleaner delivers a strong balance of power, runtime, and ease of use, making it a smart upgrade for those who want deeper and more efficient cleaning. Next, we have the Cordless cordless vacuum cleaner. The Cordless cordless vacuum is built for users who want serious cleaning power combined with better indoor air quality. It delivers ultra-strong suction, a long-lasting lithium battery, and a fully sealed HEPA filtration system that captures allergens, dust mites, and microscopic particles. From thick carpets to rugs and upholstery, this vacuum is designed to handle tougher cleaning challenges without slowing down. Pet owners will especially appreciate how well the Cordless performs when it comes to lifting pet hair. The motorized brush roll digs deep into carpet fibers and upholstery, pulling out hair without constant tangling. Multiple suction modes let you adjust power depending on the surface, which helps extend battery life when full power isn't necessary. This flexibility makes it suitable for both quick cleanups and deep cleaning sessions. Despite its strong suction, the vacuum operates at a reasonable noise level, making it comfortable to use at any time of day. Suction remains consistent throughout the battery cycle, so performance doesn't suddenly drop into the end. The dustbin empties cleanly and hygienically, keeping maintenance simple and mess-free. Overall, the Cordless cordless vacuum cleaner is an excellent choice for families, pet owners, and anyone who needs powerful and reliable deep cleaning across multiple surfaces. Next on our list is the Mohomo cordless vacuum cleaner. The Mohomo cordless vacuum is built for people who want stress-free daily cleaning without overcomplicated features. It stands out immediately with strong suction performance, a lightweight cordless body, and a multi-layer HEPA filtration system that helps trap dust and fine particles before they escape back into the air. From the moment you pick it up, it feels comfortable and easy to control, which makes a big difference during longer cleaning sessions. In everyday use, the Mohomo does a solid job on common household messes. It handles dust, crumbs, and pet hair effectively on hard floors, tiles, and low-pile carpets. The slim cleaning head easily slides under sofas, beds, and cabinets where dirt often goes unnoticed. Since it's completely cordless, you can move freely from room to room without stopping, unplugging, or switching sockets, which saves time and keeps your cleaning flow uninterrupted. Switching to handheld mode is quick and intuitive, making it useful for cleaning stairs, couches, shelves, curtains, and even car interiors. The battery life is well suited for small to medium-sized homes, allowing you to finish regular cleaning tasks in one go. Maintenance is simple, with a hygienic dust bin emptying system and washable filters that reduce ongoing costs. Overall, the Mohomo cordless vacuum cleaner is a dependable option for everyday cleaning, especially for users who value simplicity, comfort, and reliable performance. The last one on our list is the Levoit cordless vacuum cleaner. The Levoit cordless vacuum stands out as the most complete and capable option in this lineup. It combines exceptional suction power, a long-running high-efficiency battery, and advanced multi-stage filtration, making it ideal for larger homes and demanding cleaning tasks. From the first use, it feels powerful, responsive, and extremely well-engineered. Its optimized airflow system ensures excellent debris pickup on both hard floors and carpets, and the anti-tangle brush design is a major advantage for pet owners. Despite its strong performance, the vacuum remains lightweight and comfortable to handle even during extended cleaning sessions. Battery efficiency allows you to clean multiple rooms without frequent recharging. Maintenance is simple, with easy access filters and a dustbin that empties cleanly without creating dust clouds. Whether you're dealing with everyday dust, pet hair, or deep carpet cleaning, this vacuum handles everything with confidence and consistency. Overall, the Levoit cordless vacuum cleaner is the best all-around option for users who want premium performance, durability, and ease of use in one powerful cordless vacuum. So that's it for the best cordless stick vacuum for this year. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.